Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen monthly, I still think this is very clearly an A, a B, and we're in a wave C right now. I think we're very clearly in a 1, 2, 3 of wave C, which it could possibly go up and take out the high of wave A before we actually get to wave 4 and another push up for the wave 5. So overall, definitely still very bullish, and I really do not believe that this thing is going to turn down in a big way for a very long time. So going down to the weekly time frame, still in a wave 3, still no breaker structure to the downside, still no lower highs, still no reason at all to think this wave 3 is over. Since there's no reason for this to be over, in my opinion, there's no breaker structure, there's no lower high, there's no any reason at all, no engulfing move down. That tells me that I'm definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the daily, it looks to me like the daily may be ending a correction. It definitely looks like 1, 2, 3 ways down to a Fibonacci level. Looks like this could be the end of a correction and the continuation of the uptrend. And if it is, then we definitely want to start looking for longs on shorter time frames again. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame has started off pretty slow, but boy, it's looking more and more like it is the end of a correction. I would like to see a breaker structure to the upside to really confirm. Until that happens, I mean, it could possibly make a lower high and continue down. But boy, as of right now, it definitely looks like impulsive down, 3 waves up. Very corrective looking move down for a wave C. Definitely 3 waves down, definitely Fibonacci bounce. Like I said, we need to have a structure break to really confirm that it's over. Until then, it could definitely make a lower high and keep going down. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here just in case we do get a Fibonacci bounce. I mean, we are at the 161.8, so if it does turn down, make an engulfing move, then I would go short. If it goes up here, makes an engulfing move down right there, then I would go short. Otherwise, I would actually continue to look for longs on these shorter time frames because, yeah, it may make a Fibonacci bounce, but it may just be a correction to the uptrend, and it might really be the end of a correction and the continuation of the uptrend. We have to remember that all the higher time frames are in a big uptrend. Shorter time frames, we really should primarily be looking for longs. If we are looking for shorts, then we are trading against a 4-year uptrend on the JPY pairs. So definitely looking for longs, but I am looking just in case this really is the end of a correction. I am definitely going to look for evidence that this is the end of a correction, and if it is, then I definitely will take it as a short. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.